Hello, welcome to the Module 5 of the Sell Your Knowledge Masterclass. So very quickly, in this Module 5, this is what we are going to be looking at. Leveraging e-commerce. Leveraging e-commerce. How to host your course on Seller. Now that you already created your course, you already have your wait list, and people are already in your WhatsApp group, your VSL video sales letter is ready, you've already started hosting webinars and all of that. Yes, there are two ways you can actually sell your course. You can decide to put your videos in Google Drive. Okay, you can decide to put your videos in Google Drive, but I don't usually encourage Google Drive. The reason is because most times people can download your videos, and when they download it, they can package your video again and start selling it as their course. Yes, I've seen people do all manner of things actually. Okay, but the thing is that you cannot entirely just protect your intellectual property completely from the way Africa is. But I recommend hosting courses on Seller because it's more professional. Sometimes people just want to ask you, okay, I want to buy the course myself, give me your link. You see that? Because they don't want to send you their money, and especially if they are looking at things that are being suspicious. All right, so my point is that you can put your course in Google Drive actually, okay, because it's free, right? And I know that we want to cut cost. That's very good. It's good. You can cut cost. You can put it. It's nice. It's nice. You can do that. But then it costs about 12,000 naira monthly to host your course on Seller. You see, it's quite expensive. 12,000 naira. So calculate that in a whole year. That's a lot of money. If you are not making a lot of money from your course, it is really going to be a loss or shortage of profit on your side. But very quickly, I just want to show you in case this is what you want to do, because I like automation. I like automation because I want to sleep and wake up to $1 million in the morning. I don't have it yet, but I want to sleep. I don't want a situation whereby you have to work actively, because this course right now, there are a lot of people who have bought this course. A lot of people have bought this course, and I do not have to start teaching them from one person to another. I just recorded the course once, like your course too, the one you've learned how to create, or probably you may have created the course right now. You just create it once and you keep selling it. You keep selling it, and like that, automation. Let it keep going while you attend to other things or you rest. Okay, so I also like situations whereby people can watch my advert on Facebook, click on the link, and while they are coming through, they go straight to my Seller store online. They buy my course. I get my alert directly, from Seller, paid to my account straight without doing anything at all. So you see the reason why I recommend Seller, or I recommend e-commerce. If there are other platforms like Udemy, Coursera, you can use them, but I use Seller. Okay, if there's any need for you to use any other one, it's fine. So let's look at this right here. So to the simplest term, e-commerce is simply the use of online platforms for the sales of goods and services. Online platforms. Okay, just like Seller, you can use it to sell your courses and all of that. And there are platforms where you can sell physical products. Once they place order, they make payments, and you can do your supply to them. But Seller mostly is for courses, mostly. So Seller is one of the best e-commerce platforms for the sales of courses in Nigeria and other African countries. Yes, it's one of the best actually. They also do physical products, but most especially people use Seller for online courses. So very quickly, let's see the step-by-step procedure for hosting your product, which is your course now, on Seller. So first of all, you have to create, verify, and update your Seller account. If you already have a Seller account, maybe you bought my course, because most of my courses are on Seller. You bought my course and then you have to watch it on Seller. It simply means you already have a Seller account. You don't need to create another one with your email. Otherwise, it will display a feedback that your email has been taken and it is taken by you. Okay, so you don't need to create another account. But if you don't have a seller account at all, I'm also going to be showing you how to create, verify, and then update your seller account, where you put your bank details and all of that, so that seller can pay you directly. I don't place withdrawals when I make sales. Once I make sales, then if I make sales, the next morning I get my payment. Sometimes I receive an alert, I can quickly log in. When I log in, I will now notice that, oh, somebody bought my course yesterday. That's it. And of course, when someone buys your course today, seller pays the next day. But when they buy during the weekend, they pay on Monday. Okay, so purchases from Friday, Saturday, Sunday will be accumulated and paid on Monday. So the next thing is how to upgrade to Pro plan. There is the free plan. You can use the free plan, but it is limited actually. It is limited. I'm not sure you can host a video course on the free plan. All right. But so you need to upgrade to Pro plan, and the Pro plan is 12,000 naira per month as of the time of recording this video. 12,000 naira per month, and I've been doing this for quite some time now. I can do it conveniently because I'm making money. All right. If you are not, then that's why I say use waitlist strategy. You see, it is the waitlist strategy that helps you to, at least you have made a few sales, you have made money. That's where you even get. Personally, I made almost 100,000 naira from my waitlist strategy. I have not gone on seller. I have not launched my course. Remember what we discussed when we talk about waitlist strategy. You have not launched yet. You have started selling. They have started paying, waiting for the day that you are going to launch the course. And it is the money that they pay you, those people you sell to initially, that you use to pay for your first month subscription on seller, and then use to do some other logistics that we'll be talking about later. Okay, so you need to upgrade to Pro plan. And then lastly, I'm also going to show you how to upload your course videos. Okay, so now let's get to the practicals. Let me begin to show you all of these things. Of course, you can use your smartphone and your laptop. I'm also going to be combining them, smartphone and laptop. All right, so see you in the next video.